travel into space are very large and have very powerful motors because they have to climb very high and very fast. There's a small spaceship with astronauts or a satellite inside each rocket. The rockets are formed by many parts. As they go up, some parts are dismantled until only a small part remains. This last part is where the astronauts or satellites are. The countries competed with each other for many years to see who could perform the greatest feat in space. But most countries collaborate with each other now, and instead of competing, they help each other. I wish they did the same with many other things. The rockets need a lot of fuel to go so high and fast. Their motors run on a special fuel that can't be bought at gas stations. The rocket is very delicate and dangerous. It's also a very spectacular moment because a lot of fire and smoke comes out of the motors. Before launching a rocket, there's always a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition! Most spaceships must land with a parachute when they return to Earth. Help our little friend to clean the glass of his spaceship.
Build your own rocket. Sort events from the oldest to the most recent.
Sputnik launch. First animal in space, Laika. First astronaut, Yuri Gagarin and Valentina Tereshkova. The Curiosity explores Mars. Apollo 11 arrives at the Moon. The International Space Station is launched.